So it's our another question or next question. A square plate which is 50 centimeter into 50 centimeter, okay, weighing 200 Newton is allowed to slide down an inclined plane which is laid at a slope of 1 vertical to 2.5 horizontal. What terminal velocity will be attained by the plate if 0.02 mm thickness of oil film lied interposed between the inclined plate and the inclined plane and the plate? So the oil has a dynamic viscosity of 2.25 into 10 power minus 3 Newton second per meter square. So it is also very simple question. So we try to solve it. Okay. So please subscribe my channel or like video. Okay. So solution is like let the plane be inclined at an angle alpha with the horizontal. Okay. So I write all the let the plane be inclined at an angle alpha with the horizontal. Okay. So tan alpha is equal to 1 by 2.5. Okay. Because here it is given or it is equal to 0.4. So alpha is equal to 21.8 degree. Okay. So from here component of weight, I write all the theoretical part also. So because it is easy for you to understand all these things. Okay. So component of the weight of plate along the plane is equal to W sin alpha. Okay. We also use that formula before in last question. Okay. So assuming a linear velocity profile in the oil film, assuming okay a linear velocity profile in the oil film. Okay. So shear stress means tau is equal to mu du y dy, and from d mu is tau is equal to mu uyt. Okay. So now here shear force opposing motion is nothing else but we multiply y a in this, so it is equal to mu uyt into a. Okay. So now using equilibrium condition, okay, or under condition. What is it? So W sin alpha, and W sin alpha is equal to that, okay, is equal to mu u by t into a. So here we need to find u, okay, as question asked. So u is equal to u. What is u? U is the speed, okay. So u is equal to W sin alpha, okay, into t, and mu and a coming down, mu a, okay. So from here, from the question, and we put all the values. So W is given 200 sin, and alpha is equal to 21.8 as we find our in the solution, and t is thickness 0.02 into 10 to the power minus 3. We convert it in meters, so we use that. So it is 2.25 into 10 to the power minus 3 into 0.5 into 0.5, okay, and it is the final answer is 2.64 meter per second. So it is u, it is the velocity, it is the speed of. So it is the final answer.